Hey guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited because I am back after like a month-long hiatus. I'm finally back and I'm so excited to be filming again. I just am like, I haven't been feeling the best. I still am not feeling 100%, but like mental health wise and stuff like that. But I was like, what better way to try to like feel better than to get back into doing stuff that I love, which is like videos for you guys and just like makeup and all that good stuff. So anyways, yeah, in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a orchid is that how you say it? Orchid inspired makeup tutorial. I just wanted to do something really fun and creative, like just being back. I just want to do something really creative and like just do something fun, because I feel like makeup needs to be fun and should be fun. Like I feel like we need to get back into doing more fun makeup looks and stuff like that. That's always been like one of my mottos. So anyways, if you guys want to see my orchid makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, we're going to prime my eyes with some concealer. The concealer that I'm using is the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. So this is kind of the orchid that I am going off of. This is very pretty. I want to say it's called a Phalaenopsis. I'm so bad at pronunciations. So that's what we're kind of going to go for. This pretty like pink color. So first we're going to take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette and we're going to take the white shade. And we're just going to blend that all over the eye. And now I'm going to take the 6th shade in the first row of that palette, which is like a light pink shade, and just blend that out on the outer corner of my eye. And the brush that we're using is a M504 brush. I'm also going to put some in the inner corner of my eye, blending it up towards the brow. And now we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and this palette is just like a super colorful palette. It has like different tones of colors and different like shades of color. So I'm just going to take the first pink in that palette and put it in the same spot where I put that other pink. And on a M504 brush, I'm going to take the darkest pink from that palette and just do circular motions in the middle of where we put that eyeshadow in the inner corner of our eye. Also going to do circular motions in the outer corner of our eye in the middle. And because this orchid is majority white, we're going to cut the crease with this white from this Athena painting palette. Okay, and now from the NYX Modern Dreamer palette, we're going to take that white shade and just set that Athena palette, that Athena white with that. We're going to take the pink from the NYX Modern Dreamer palette and just blend that on the outer part of the cut crease. And now we're going to take a small pencil brush and we're going to do little circles of pink inside the white cut crease. I'm going to take this same pencil brush and take some orange and just put it in the inner corner of our eye, because there is a little bit of orange in the middle of this beautiful flower. And then we're also going to take this and just blend out some orange on the outer corner of our eye. I really love the way that this is looking, so I'm trying to think if I want to add anything else. I'm just looking at the flower and seeing if there's anything else. Maybe some more orange on the outer corner. Okay. Gorgeous. Ah! Okay, so now I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye, and then I'll come back with you guys to do like my foundation and all that good stuff. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera. This is what it looks like. Honestly, I'm in love with it. But let's just do foundation and all that good stuff. So I already put on primer, so let's move on to foundation. For foundation, because I'm a little bit on the tanner side, we're gonna use the Ben Nye Cream Foundation in the shade Brown Sugar. I think this is the one that I've been using. Yeah. I'm just gonna take my foundation brush, dip it in, put it from through here, and just put it all over my face. Okay, and now for under eye concealer, we're going to use the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C6. And for cream bronzing, we're going to take this AVH Stick Foundation in the shade Espresso. And I'm gonna blend out my under eyes. And now to set that, we're gonna take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder on our powder puff and just press that into the skin. Okay, and now I can't find my liquid blush. I think my sister might have stolen it. So I'm just gonna do powder blush. We're gonna take the Saharian Blush Volume 2. I'm gonna take that. We're gonna take Lena and Tao and mix those two together. Now I'm trying to think if I want to continue like the dots on my face. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna take a small pencil brush. I'm going to take the third shade of the Alexis Stone palette, Pink. I'm just going to do a dot. And then for under the eye, I'm just going to take that same pink and do like that under the eye. Now I'm going to do my lashes. And for lashes, I think I'm going to take these Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. Okay guys, so this is a finished Orchid. Is my lash coming up? Hold on, let me fix my lash. Okay guys, so this is a finished Orchid makeup look. I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. I think it's very like fun and bright, and that's really what I wanted to create, and I feel like it looks pretty good, like to compare the Orchid to my eyeshadow. I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be linked down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, if you like makeup, if you like me, please subscribe, because I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers by the end of the year. And I have some fun makeup looks coming up, especially for October. I always do a series called Spooktorial where I do spooky makeup looks, and I'm really excited for that. So if you're into that type of thing, then definitely subscribe and turn on my post notifications, share, all that good stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.